ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and supercharge your customer communication. Let's dive into setting up Aisensy Api Automation, step by step. First, head over to Aisensy Icon and either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. You'll need an active Aisensy account to proceed with the AP integration. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API documentation section within your Aisensy dashboard. This is your go-to resource for understanding the API endpoints, parameters, and request formats. Next, generate your unique API key. This key acts like a password, granting you access to the Aisensy API. Keep it safe and secure, as anyone with this key can access your account. Now, let's craft your first AP request. Use the API documentation to understand the correct structure for your desired action, like sending a message or fetching contact information. Most programming languages offer libraries to easily send HTTP requests. Time to build your automated workflows. Define the triggers and conditions for your messages. For example, you can set up automatic welcome messages for new users or send notifications based on specific events. Finally, monitor your automation's performance. Aisensy provides analytics to track message delivery rates, engagement, and other key metrics. Use these insights to optimize your workflows and improve your results.